Okay, wait, why are these the cutest pens I've ever owned? I mean, just look at them. Each and every single one is so detailed and just so stinking adorable. Like, how am I even gonna choose just one? So, not only are they so stinking adorable, but each one of these has so many different colors, so there's no need to be carrying around different pens. You have all the pen colors you would need in one. So let's go ahead and look at how they work. So when you're ready to use it, you go ahead and you push down. Let's see how it writes. This is a sweet little pink color. Let's test another color. Oh, so cute. Was that purple? Oops, sometimes you gotta let the ink come in. Nice little blue. So easy to pop through each color, to push it down, have it release. Go. So even though this looks like a light green on the outside, it actually comes in this beautiful dark green. Listen to this click. So satisfying. If you love cute things and if you love being organized, these absolutely are a must. I absolutely would purchase these. These could be a great gift for like little party favors, little rewards in a classroom. The details, the options, they're gender neutral. So many fun ideas that you could use these for. These are so, so cute. So go ahead and add these babies to the cart.